Before I start, I just want to remind you to stay calm after learning this trick. Only a few know about this trick, so when you use it, please maintain good and pure intentions. Use it ethically as it is really an easy and simple way to earn money online. You can earn up to this amount of money just by using this website that I am showing you. However, please remember that this trick will not work if you do not follow the directions properly. This will also not work if you are too lazy to get up and do some hustle. So please stay tuned to this video and follow the steps thoroughly if you are really eager to earn money online. A reminder before I share this YouTube hack, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Back to the video. First, proceed to this website named g2.com. You will see a whole host of software categories on this website. Look at this. People are rating these softwares. They are using the scale of 1 to 5 stars to rate each. Now, here is the thing. You can earn money by rating these softwares again and again. Do not worry too because it is easier than you think. However, please listen carefully in this video as I will show you practical examples on how to do it. To start, scroll down and find the Write a Review button. Click it and you will be redirected to this page. Now, there are a few more steps that you need to follow. First, choose a service or software that you want to rate or to write a review. Then, you should share it on LinkedIn. After that, you are finished. With those steps, you can make some sweet money. Well, you can even do this over and over again to earn more money. I will now expound on it more. First, you look and choose a product that you want to review. Look at this. There are tons of different categories on this site. There are sales, media, communications, advertising, and so on. Now, choose one of these. As an example, let us choose the information technology category. After you click it, you will get redirected to this page. If you scroll down, you will see the list of softwares that you can choose and rate. A quick reminder that there are unlimited earning opportunities on this site, but please do not get overwhelmed by it. We will all learn this step-by-step process. Before I continue, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Now, we proceed again in the video. For this time, we choose Google since we are all familiar with it. Most of us have accessed and used it before too. Now the website will show that you have already selected a product. Note that you can choose multiple products to rate, but for this video, we will stick with one, which is Google. After choosing, press the blue Continue button. You will get redirected to another page again where you will type your review. Now, click the review button to get started. However, you will need to have an account to proceed. Thus, you need to log in or create your own account on G2. After creating or entering your account, you can finally proceed in giving your rating to the software. After that, you will earn money. To create an account, sign up by clicking on this blue button. You can either use your Google, LinkedIn, or email in the sign up process. When you use your email, you will receive a verification email on your account. You just need to click the link to verify your account. Once verified, you can proceed to the next step. You will create the product review for your chosen product. Pay attention to the question that they ask. It says, how likely is it that you will recommend this to a friend or colleague? You can use the scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being not likely and 10 as very likely in rating the said product. Well, I enjoy utilizing Google Drive in our example. Hence, it will receive a rating of 10 from me. I will really recommend it to my friends. Now, for the title of your review. In the space provided, write a short description of your experience while using the said application. Now, here is a tip. When you search Google, there is a lot of information that you can see about it. There are also reviews about it in the search result. Now, you should not copy these reviews, but you can get ideas from it. Look at this one. There is a good title and a really clear explanation about why they like Google Drive. They also include information about the aspect of the site that they do not like. Scrolling through these reviews might give you some ideas on how to write yours. With these ideas, you can start earning a lot of money already. Now, we will go back to the review that we are writing. Create our own title like this. Now, there are still a set of questions here. All you need to do is to do your best in answering everything. You will see questions such as what do you dislike, what do you like, and etc. Do not worry about it because you only need to write 40 characters per question. That is already too short. You can also get ideas and inspirations from other G2 reviews. There are tons of reviews that can be found on this page already. You just need to utilize them. Thus, you can write a very good review for yourself. Note that the reviews come from all around the world, so there are numerous perspectives that you can get ideas from. Aside from that, this is 100% free. This hack is easier than what other people think. Once you're done reviewing a product, you just need to agree to this statement. The statement says that you are certifying that the review that you wrote is 100% your genuine opinion about the product. It also says that you are submitting the review in accordance with the terms and conditions of use. You will press the blue button to confirm. And after that, you can now submit the whole thing. Again, you can repeat this thing over and over again because there is a long list of softwares that you can choose to review on this site. Because you can do this again and again, you can also make money again and again on this site. There are just endless options to choose from. What is better is that you do not need to pay anything to use this website. All you need to do is to have a genuine opinion about the website that you choose to review. It is really that simple. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.